2020 has been a challenging year with the pandemic, and it didn't even spare the entertainment industry. But there are a few with whom 2020 could not put down, and they continue to own this year too. Television actor and Bigg Boss 13's Siddharth Shukla can rightly be called as a man of the year, with probably one of the highest trending people on the internet. Let's take a look at the reasons how Siddharth Shukla owned the year 2020. No other season of the Bigg Boss bloomed like the season 13, and its star winner was Siddharth Shukla. He not only owned the trophy but effortlessly stood out amongst all and went on to become the most talked about contestant too. Siddharth's popularity and fan following was unprecedented, especially with the females. Siddharth started off as a best model in Asia at international platform. He was instantly offered a movie with one of the sought-out after production houses during his stint in a dance reality show. And after taking home the trophy of the biggest reality show of India, Siddharth became the first choice of the music producers to cast him in the music singles. He went on to act in music single alongside Neha Sharma, which went on to become a huge hit before the lockdown. It is not only the music producers who love to cast Siddharth in their music videos, but a lot of designers too collaborated with him throughout the year. Siddharth made the really short trunks a trending during the season and went on to grab the award of the most stylish actor male 2020. Siddharth broke multiple records on social media platforms, especially on Twitter, when his fans tweeted about him in huge numbers on occasions more than one, and top trending on Twitter with the highest number of tweets ever written for any actor in the past. The makers of Bigg Boss brought their lucky mascot Siddharth Shukla for the first 2 weeks of the season 14 too. He entered the show with a fresh aspect to his personality and made the girls go head over heels with his witty jokes and also his mischief, this time around taking the internet by storm with the move on his show. To add up his massive fan following and enormous popularity, especially among the youngsters, Siddharth became the first television actor to have an Instagram filter to honor his fans worldwide. Siddharth rose to fame playing the role of Shiv in Balika Vadhu, but he did not let it make him get typecasted because of the immense adulation. He crushed all the stereotypes and made his way into the hearts of the fans with his real personality. So what's your take on Siddharth's achievements? Tell us in the comments below. Also, stay tuned to Telechakkar for all the latest updates.
Know all about the Tele world by subscribing to Telechakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.